Measurement. Spiral learning. Knowing about measurement. Conversion of lengths. Conversion of weights. Conversion of capacity. Length, mass and capacity are three things we often need to measure in everyday life. How long is this rope? How heavy is how much juice can be this watermelon? Filled in this glasses? Non-standard measures. Hand span. Foot span. One step. These measures are easily available. Hand span can be used to measure the length of a rope, ribbon, or cloth. Foot span can be used to measure distances which are walkable. Standard measures. These are accurate measures or units used all over the world. Length, mass, capacity. Centimeter, meter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Gram, kilogram. 1000 g is equal to 1 kilogram. Milliliter, liter. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Conversion of units of length. Meters to centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. To convert meters to centimeters, multiply meters by 100. Centimeters to meters. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. To convert centimeters to meters, replace each 100 centimeters by 1 meter. Example 1. A curtain is 3 meters long. What is its length in centimeters? B. The width of the same curtain is 1 meter, 40 centimeters. What is the width in centimeters? Solution. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 3 meters is equal to 3 into 100 centimeters is equal to 300 centimeters. The curtain is 300 centimeters long. B. Width of the curtain is equal to LM. 40 centimeters is equal to 100 centimeters plus 40 centimeters is equal to 140 centimeters. Example 2. The length of a watering pipe is about 800 centimeters. Find the length of the pipe in meters. Solution. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 800 centimeters is equal to 8 into 100 centimeters is equal to 8 into 1 meter is equal to 8 m. The length of the pipe is 8 meters. Kilometers into meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. To convert kilometers to meters, multiply kilometers by 1000. Meters. 2 kilometers, kilometer. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. To convert meters to kilometers, replace each 1000 meters by 1 kilometer. Example 3. Akshat ran 5 kilometers and Anuj ran 4 kilometers in a marathon. How much distance did they run in meters? Solution. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 5 kilometers is equal to 5 into 1000 meters is equal to 5000 meters. 4 kilometers is equal to 4 into 1000 m is equal to 4000 meters. Akshat ran 5000 meters and Anuj ran 4000 meters. Example 4. The distance between my home and railway station is 3575 meters. How many kilometers and meters do I have to travel from home to reach the station? Solution. 3575 meters is equal to 3000 meters plus 575 meters is equal to 3 kilometers plus 575 meters. Since 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer, I have to travel 3 kilometers and 575 meters from home to reach the station. Measuring centimeters. Centimeters are used to measure small lengths. Mostly, we use a 15 centimeters ruler to measure in centimeters. Place 0 of the ruler on one end of the object and read the number on the ruler nearest to the other end. How long is this pencil? 60 centimeters. Measuring meters. Meters are used to measure longer distances. Mostly we use a measuring tape, pull-out tape or a meter rod. You may have seen the people like engineers, tailors, surveyors, etc. Measuring in meters. Measuring kilometers. Kilometers are used to measure very long distances. Maps are used to show us long distances between cities. Addition of length. Length in standard units may be added by writing them in vertical column, unit-wise. Example 1. Add 4 meters, 60 centimeters and 3 meters, 28 centimeters. Solution. First, draw columns as required. 1. Place the values unit-wise, correctly in each column and row. 2. Add the centimeters first and then meters. 4 meters, 60 centimeters, plus 3 meters, 28 centimeters, is equal to 7 meters, 88 centimeters. Subtraction of length. Just like addition, length in standard units may also be subtracted. Example 2. Subtract 2 meters, 32 centimeters from 6 meters, 56 centimeters. Solution. First, draw columns as required. 1. Write the greater value above the smaller value below. 2. Subtract the centimeters first and then meters. 6 meters, 56 centimeters minus 2 meters, 32 centimeters is equal to 4 meters, 24 centimeters. Applications. Example 3. The distance between the classroom and the library is 385 meters, 20 centimeters. The distance from the library to the playground is 180 meters, 50 centimeters. Ashok walks from the classroom to the library, then from the library to the playground. How much distance is covered by Ashok in all? Solution. 385 meters, 20 centimeters, plus 180 meters, 50 centimeters. Ashok walks 565 meters, 70 centimeters in all. Conversion of units of weights. Kilogram into grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 g. To convert kilogram to grams, multiply kilogram by 1000. Grams into kilograms. 1000 g is equal to 1 k. To convert to kg, replace each 1000 g by 1 kilogram. Example 1. A fruit vendor sold 4 kilograms of grapes in a day. How many grams of grapes did he sell? Solution. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 g. 4 kilograms is equal to 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 g. He sold 4000 g of grapes. Example 2. A carton of books weighed 5000 g. What is its weight in kg? Solution. 1000 g is equal to 1 kilogram. 5000 g is equal to 5 into 1000 g is equal to 5 kilograms. The carton of books weighs 5 kilograms. Measuring grams. Grams are used to measure lighter objects. We use weights on a balance to measure weight in grams. Place the object to be weighed on one side and place the weights on the other side by trial and error till both sides balance out. Some weights used are given here. 5 kilograms, 2 kilograms, 1 kilogram, 500 g, 250 g, 100 g, 50 g. They can be used in different combinations. Measuring kilograms. Kilograms are used to measure heavier objects. We use weighing machines of different types to measure in kgs. Addition of weight. Weight in standard units may be added by writing them in vertical columns, unit-wise. Example 1. Add 15 kilograms, 200 g, and 20 kilograms, 300 g. Solution. First, draw columns as required. 1. Place the values, unit-wise, correctly in each column. 2. Add g first and then kg. 15 kilograms, 200 g, plus 20 kilograms, 300 g, is equal to 35 kilograms, 500 g. Subtraction of weight. Just like addition, weight in standard units may also be subtracted. Example 2. Subtract 30 kilograms, 200 g, from 65 kilograms, 600 g. Solution. 1. Write the greater value above the smaller value below. 2. Subtract g first and then kg. 65 kilograms, 600 g, minus 30 kilograms, 200 g, is equal to 35 kilograms, 400 g. Example 3. Mr. Babu weighs 85 kilograms, 500 g, and Mr. Kumar weighs 72 kilograms, 400 g. Find the sum and difference of their weights. Sum: 85 kilograms, 500 g, plus 72 kilograms, 400 g, is equal to 157 kilograms, 900 g. Sum is 157 kilograms, 900 g. Difference: 85 kilograms, 500 g, minus 72 kilograms, 400 g, is equal to 13 kilograms, 100 g. Conversion of units of capacity. Liters into milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. To convert liter to milliliters, multiply liter by 1000. Milliliters into liters. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. To convert milliliters to liter, replace each 1000 milliliters by 1 liter. Example 1. A water dispenser can hold 5 liters of water. What is the dispenser's capacity in ml? Solution. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 5 liter is equal to 5 into 1000 milliliters is equal to 5000 milliliters. The capacity of the dispenser is 5000 milliliters. Example 2. A bottle holds about 2500 milliliters of juice. How many liters and milliliters of juice can it hold? Solution. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. 2500 milliliters is equal to 2000 milliliters plus 500 milliliters is equal to 2 liters. 500 milliliters. The bottle can hold 2 liters. 500 milliliters of juice. Measuring milliliters. Milliliters are used to measure very smaller amounts of liquids. We use spoons, bottles, cups, glasses, jugs, etc., which are marked to measure milliliters. These can be filled up to the required mark to get the required capacity. About 10 milliliters, 500 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 100 milliliters, 1000 milliliters. Measuring liters. Liters are used to measure larger amounts of liquids. We use bucket, jetty can, dispensers, and tanks which are marked to measure liters. These can be filled up to get the required capacity. 8 to 10 liters, 5 liters, 10 liters, 500 liters. Addition of capacity. Capacities in standard units may be added by writing them in vertical columns, unit-wise. Example 1. Add 6 liters, 200 milliliters, and 25 liters, 500 milliliters. Solution. First, draw columns as required. 1. Place the values, unit-wise, correctly in each column. 2. Add milliliters first, and then liters. 6 liters, 200 milliliters, plus 25 liters, 500 milliliters, is equal to 31 liters, 700 milliliters. Subtraction of capacity. Just like addition, capacity in standard units may also be subtracted. Example 2. Subtract 15 liters 600 milliliters. From 40 liters, 750 milliliters. Solution. 1. Write the greater value above the smaller value below. 2. Subtract milliliters first, and then liters. 40 liters, 750 milliliters, minus 15 liters, 600 milliliters, is equal to 25 liters, 150 milliliters. Applications. Example 3. A tank can hold 500 liters of water, but 1200 liters, 250 milliliters water is required to fill up a pool. A. How much more water is required after the tanker empties its water in the pool? B. Will it be carried by another such water tank? Solution. 1200 liters, 250 milliliters, minus 500 liters is equal to 700 liters, 250 milliliters. A. Hence, 700 liters 250 milliliters water is required. B. Since another such tanker can hold only 500 liters, the required quantity of water can't be carried. So we need one more half of the tanker. Lab activity. Measurements of ingredients for making tea. Measurements: 1000 milliliters water. Measure in the cup as per mark. 20 milliliters milk. Measure in the cup as per the mark. 10 g tea leaves. Measure in teaspoon ones. 15 g sugar crystals. Measure in tablespoon ones. 1 centimeter ginger piece. Measure with scale, cut, peel and grate.